We'll be talking about Vitest and React testing library, their installation and configurations. Vitest is a test runner highly recommended for anyone using Vite instead of Create React app. It comes with everything that Jest does and can be seen as a direct replacement for Jest. Let's start our installation. First, we're going to install Vitest. Then go to package.json and add Vitest inside script. Now let's write an example test to see if Vitest works. It should turn green and say passed when you type npm run test. Now let's install jsdom in React testing library. Here you can create a file named vitest.config.js and add the configuration, or just add it to vite.config.js file if you're already using Vite. We will now create a setup.js file. We're going to use the setup file to import custom matchers and clean up the DOM after testing. Add the setup file inside vite.config and also make globals to true so we don't have to make imports like describe, expect, and it from Vitest. Now let's try testing. I'm going to test the login component, so the test file name will be login.test.js. I'm simply going to render the component here. We'll import the component we want to test, then import render and screen from testing library, and lastly the browser router since we're using browser router in our components. Now we're ready to test it. Type npm run test in the terminal. If it passes, it will turn green and say it passed in the terminal like this. I'll have another video on how to test the login component properly by querying the elements in the components and creating firing events.